Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Do Not Disturb feature on your Android phone. So here you can just find the settings by using the push notifications at the top. So just slide it down until you see this Do Not Disturb option. So just long press on that, and this is the Do Not Disturb option. So here, by enabling the Do Not Disturb, you can only receive calls, messages, and app in notification which are allowed to interrupt. So you can just enable this, for example, when you are playing a game or when you are working and you don't want to be disturbed, you can enable this feature. And here you can also add exceptions allowed to interrupt. For example, you can add start contacts. If you have none, you can just add in here. Just click on the settings and add the contacts that you want to add to your favorite contacts, or maybe your emergency contacts. So in case maybe your family is on some trouble, they can still call you or message you when you are on the Do Not Disturb mode. So here you can also add apps that you are allowed to interrupt when you are enabling the Do Not Disturb. You can click on Add Apps in here and just choose the apps that you want to, where you can still receive the notification or maybe messages from the apps. For example, I'm going to just use let's select WhatsApp, for example. Just click on the apps, and here you can choose which notifications that you want to. For example, I'm going to just use this critical app alert, and also you can also allow all notification. You can go back here. You can also adjust the alarm and others, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.